everyone. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. First step, open Facebook on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Then press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then press the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in settings and privacy, press the search button at the top right corner of your screen and here search for Deactivate or Deactivation. Then press Personal Details, which is the first one on the search results. Just tap your profile and here you'll see Account Ownership and Control. Once you press this, you'll see the option regarding the activation or deletion of your account. Once again, press the profile you want to deactivate. Here you'll be asked if you want to deactivate or delete your Facebook profile. So just press the deactivate button or option. Once you press it, you'll be asked to enter your Facebook password. So just make sure to enter the correct one. Once you've entered your password, this will appear where you have to select the reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook profile. You can check this is temporary and I'll be back or other reasons that you can see on your screen. Just press continue and here you'll see the option regarding automatically reactivating your account. So you can change it to 7 days, 6 days, 3 days or less, or don't reactivate automatically. So this depends on your preference. And that's all for this tutorial. If this helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.